Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. With over 1,000 recipes and almost 10 years as a food blogger, you know by now that I love making most food from scratch. Dressings and vinaigrettes are among them. And with more than a dozen recipes on the site, here's another one. Mexican salad dressing. Incredibly tasty, this homemade condiment is ideal for your salads, as well as a dipping sauce for wings or veggies. So let's get cooking. In a mixing bowl, we'll add mayonnaise, and to make it from scratch, the link is on your screen. Then sour cream, although crema is a great substitute, a large clove of garlic, pressed, a couple tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice, followed by lime zest, then Old El Paso taco seasoning, which you can get my recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen, some ground Himalayan pink salt, and freshly ground black pepper. We'll whisk until the ingredients are nicely incorporated while the ground cumin is staring at me. I forgot to add it. Oh my, I really need a vacation. Now, if using it as a dipping sauce for either wings or veggies, it's good to go. Otherwise, if it's used as a salad dressing, this condiment is a little on the thick side. Therefore, stir in some milk, a little at a time, until desired consistency. And my friends, this is our Mexican salad dressing. Quick and very easy to make, this flavorful condiment is perfect for your salad as well as a dipping sauce. It's another beautiful homemade recipe that will enhance your food. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!